Hey guys, so I'm going to show you a tutorial on how I take this large skirt and make it fit me. I am a size small, and so I'm just going to show you a couple tricks as to what I do and a couple of versatility ways to wear it. And so what you'll need is a hair tie, nothing fancy, just something simple. And then you'll also need a couple of safety pins. I use one large, one small. And I have a brooch. This is completely optional. And with that hair tie, what I do is I just take it and cut it in half. Alrighty, and so what I do, I normally do this on me, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to show you guys. But you're just going to take this and you're making it fit you. So on the back side, you'll just take it and gather it up as little or as much as needed to fit you. And what you'll want to do is you'll want to make sure that these lines match up before you pin it. But then you'll take that safety pin and you'll just pin it in the middle of that gathered piece so it stays in place. And you're doing this on the inside of the skirt so you don't see the safety pin. And so there you have it. Like I said, you'll do this on you just for easier so you can make sure it actually fits your waist. Now what you want to do if you want to wear it in a couple of versatile ways is you'll take on the side of the skirt from top to bottom, you'll just take that hair tie and you're going to just wrap it around and tie it up. And so it is easier to do this on the inside just so you don't have to turn it around. But you just take it and you're going to tie it in a knot. And you'll want to double knot it so it stays secure. And what I do like to do for that hanging string is take just some scissors and you can just cut off that excess pieces. You don't have to, but it is just something so you don't see the string from the other side. But you are just going to take that piece and you're just going to bring it to the inside of the skirt so you don't see it hanging. And then what you'll do is where it's all bunched up, you'll want to ungather it so it doesn't have a bulky look to it. And then once you put it on, as you can see, that's where that hair tie is sitting on the side. And so if you don't want to see it, what you can do is take that brooch and you're just going to pin it where that hair tie is. Like I said, this is completely optional, but I like it because it gives it a little extra detail to the skirt. And so any kind of brooch will work, completely optional and your preference. And I'm just going to put it on me. And then what you'll do if you want to wear it in the front, so you'll just take that other safety pin and just pin it down at the bottom. You'll want to make sure that you do have some leg room to walk, but as you can see, your goodies ain't showing, and so that's the back view. I do like a side slit, so this is my choice of wearing it on this side. So I'll give you a little walk check. And so that's just a couple of ways that I wear it and how I pin it. Alrighty, so let me know what you guys think. And this skirt can be purchased online at arCKive.com. Be sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to see the latest looks that I'll be having. Thanks so much for watching.